Today, I'll walk you through how to create an expenses tracker in Google Sheets, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up your own expenses tracker so you can manage your finances more effectively. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google. This is where we'll begin our journey into creating your expenses tracker. Once you're on the Google homepage, look for the grid icon in the upper right corner. This is where you'll find all of Google's apps. Click on that icon to reveal the menu. From the app menu, select Sheets. This will take you to Google Sheets where we can create a new spreadsheet. Now click on the blank sheet option to create a new spreadsheet. This will be the canvas for your expenses tracker. Next, we need to simplify our sheet. Delete columns G through Z as we only need 6 columns for our tracker. This will help keep things organized and focused. Now select all the cells in row 1 and merge them together. This will serve as our header for the tracker. In the merged cell, type Expense Tracker. This title will help you easily identify your sheet later on. Next, we want to center the text alignment to make it look neat. Highlight the merged cell and click on the Center Alignment option. Now let's start labeling our columns. In cell A2, type Date. This column will be used to record when each expense occurs. In cell B2, type Category. This will help you categorize your expenses, making it easier to analyze spending later. Next, in cell C2, type Description. This is where you can add details about each expense. In cell D2, type Amount. This column will be used to record how much each expense costs. Now in cell E2, type Payment Method. This will help you keep track of how you paid for each expense. Finally, in cell F2, type Notes. This column can be used for any additional information you want to remember about each expense. Select all the cells in your tracker and adjust the column widths to ensure everything fits nicely. This will make your tracker more user-friendly. Now let's make row 2 stand out. Select all of row 2 and align the text to the center. Also, make the text bold to emphasize your headers. To add a bit of color, click on the highlight option and choose a color that you like. This will help differentiate your header from the rest of the data. And there you have it. Your expenses tracker is now set up and ready for use. You can start entering your expenses and monitor your spending habits effectively. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.